The torque release technique is the newest and most advanced chiropractic technique this world has to offer. What it did was take many of the best systems and procedures from other techniques out there and made them into one mother technique, giving you a well-rounded, specific approach for everyone. You may be asking yourself, how does this benefit me? First off, there's nothing to be scared of. These adjustments involve no cracking, popping, or twisting like the more traditional chiropractic techniques offer. In fact, we can care for babies and the elderly with advanced osteoporosis. All adjustments are done with a handheld instrument called the integrator, which is actually the only chiropractic instrument that is certified by the FDA. This technique is not for people who are looking for a quick fix. The torque release focuses on getting to the root cause of your health problems. Instead of temporary relief, we are looking for true correction by optimizing the pathways your brain uses to communicate with the rest of your body. The possibilities are endless when you have a fully functioning nervous system, and you will experience a quality of life that you have never felt before.